What's up? Welcome to Boomp TV with your girl Krishan. And today, your girl, she done washed her hair, okay? So today, I will be showing you the products, the methods, and what I do to get these fabulous curls. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, go ahead and turn on those notifications so you can get all updates on new videos. And go ahead and share this video because I know there's other ladies out there that be wanting these curls and I can show you exactly how to get it. All right, let's get started. So after clipping that third section, I'm going to keep the fourth section out, do a little finger detangling before I apply my leave-in conditioner. So today I'm going to be telling you all about my products. So first product is Shea Moisture's Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. It's a spray. So I'm going to apply it and finger detangle through after to make sure I get all the products distributed through my hair perfectly. Then I'm going to follow with my oil treatment, which is Argan Moroccan oil that I get from Sally's. I'm going to finger detangle that through, make sure I definitely pay attention to those ends because we don't want no split ends, okay? So the third product that I'm using is by Shea Moisture. It's going to be the Curl Enhancer. I like to apply this in the palm of my hand, rub it together, and then apply to my hair. Going to add some more water just for moisture, just to make sure that my hair is not dry and that I'm able to get all the products on every strand of my hair. I'm going to break this section up into two, just so I can make sure that I'm applying the product on every strand of my hair, like I stated before, and that I'm getting every strand of my hair so that all my curls can look the same. Look at those inches though. Boomp. So next I'm going to apply my gel to hold my curl. I like Eco Styling gel and I prefer to use the one that has protein inside. Put that in the palm of my hand, rub it together. And I like to use both of my hands like the praying hands position, just to kind of get all of it through, and it kind of helps my curls as well. And then after that, I'll follow with my finger detangling, or like using my fingers to get all the product through every strand of my hair. Okay, you definitely have to get you a dimming brush. Again, you have to get a dimming brush because this is what really helps. As you can see, as I'm brushing the dimming brush through my hair, at the very ends, I kind of go out and kind of curl my ends and I loosen the curls up. And as you can see, like the definition of my curls are definitely coming to life. Yes, come on, curls. So now I'm going to add water to the other section that I pulled from section 4, just to make sure that everything is moist and there's no parts that are dry, because of course if it's dry, the products are not going to stick to your hair properly. So once again, do not be afraid of your water, okay? So with this section again, I'm going to repeat exactly what I did. So I already put leave-in conditioner in this whole section. So that follows with me doing my oil treatment, and then you're going to see me do my curl enhancer as well as the gel. So I'm just going to let you just go ahead and keep watching. So then I'm going to take the dimming brush and once again brush through each part of my hair. I like to use smaller sections when I'm using my dimming brush because it just defines my curls more. Yes, come through, curls. So we're gonna go ahead and start with another section of the hair, and you definitely have to spray it again because you don't want no dry hair. So water. Then we're gonna follow with that leave-in conditioner. And of course, the next step, put that oil in there because your girl ain't about to have no dry hair, okay? Paying attention to those ends. And then we're going to follow up with the curl enhancer, and then after so you're going to do the Eco Styling Gel along with using that dimming brush. This scalp oil treatment is really great. It helps stimulate hair growth. I like to put it in the front of my hair because I do have thinner hair on my edges. So I do like to apply that in the very front of my hair. I will make sure that I will put in the descriptions the product as well as where to get it from. So after I'm done with one side, I like to take a t-shirt and I start at the bottom of my hair and I scrunch upward. This just helps develop those curls. On to the next section. So again, we're going to complete the same steps. So keep watching. Yes, we are finally on the last section. All right, we're going to continue to do the same steps that we've done in each section. But remember, in this section, we're going to apply that scalp oil treatment in the very front of the hair to help hair growth in your thinner areas. So then we're gonna take that t-shirt and we're gonna scrunch the hair starting from the bottom up into the scalp. This once again helps define those curls. I know you see them curls. Definition on point. Boom. So now I flip my hair forward and I take that t-shirt and I continue to scrunch using the method of starting at the bottom of my hair, so my ends, and then scrunching inward into my roots. This gives me the best curl definition. You see that? Look at them curls. Okay, so now we're gonna use that Cantu edge control with the toothbrush. Yes, I use a toothbrush. And we're gonna make sure that them edges are all laid down and on point. So you may be wondering, why am I applying edge control to lay my edges down at this step while my hair is still wet? I have found that this is the best for me. So, I mean, you can try it if you want to, but this is the best for me. So while my hair is in the process of drying, my edges are already gonna be laid down. So by the time my hair is dry, I don't have to apply edge control at that step. It's already done. Boomp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Turn on those notifications because I got more videos coming up. Go ahead and share this video because this video can be helpful to somebody else, okay? Your girl's curl. Look at the curls. Again, this is Boomp TV with your girl, Krishan.